Hi friends, welcome to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn about the place value and also how to write the numbers starting from 1, how to write the numbers and how the shift of numbers from 1's place to 10's place, how it is taking place, and from 10's to 100's place, how it is taking place also we are going to see in this video. Let's start. Before we learn how to write the numbers, let's see what's the meaning of place value. Place value means we'll be writing here ones, tens and hundreds, and the meaning definition is it tells us the position of the digit in a number. What is a digit and what is a number? Let's see. Let's take 86 to be as an example, a number, ones and tens place. So 6 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place. It is only the position. Which position now, and its place value, the place value of 6 is 6 ones, which is equals to 6, and the place value of 8 is 8 tenths, which means 80. Similarly, we take one more number, 3-digit number, 386. The digit 3 is in hundreds place, 8 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. And the place value of 8 is 8 tenths, which is equals to 80. 3 is 300, which is equals to 300, and 6 place value is 6 ones, which is equals to 6. That means before writing the number, always you should write HTO, means ones, tens and hundreds. If it's a 2-digit number, write OT, means or TO, that means ones and tens. So when we write the place values ones, tens and hundreds, by looking at that, we can write the place value of the given number. Ones, tens and hundreds. In this video, we'll be using the blocks. For the ones blocks, we'll be using the small cube, which is known as unit block or unit cube also you can say. To represent tens, we'll be using this rod or block. It is known as tens block or tens rod also you can say. And this is the hundreds block. So you have to remember this. Ones block is the small unit block, cube one. Tens block is the rod kind of thing. And the hundreds block is the square one. Whatever we are having is the hundreds block. Ones and tens. Let's write the numbers. Let's start from the ones place onwards. We will consider the unit block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here, as it is ones place, we will be having only all the single digit numbers. So 10, after 9 it is 10. We cannot accommodate 10 over here in the ones place because 10 is a 2-digit number. So what we will do now, the shift of this number, all this together, so we should not write 10 here. Now we will move it to tens place. Now you can count it over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So completely 110 this is. Together we will make it as a 110 rod. You can see here again count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means all the unit blocks together, then we are making it to be as a 110. No, so now it is, we'll be writing it to be as 110, which is equals to 10. You see here, it is 1, 10 and 0 ones. Means it is 10. See how to write the numbers after 10. So 110 means we are taking only one block and there is no block over here. It is 10. So now we will consider 11. So how to write that? 110 and 1 ones. So it's 11. 110 and 2 ones. It is 12. 110 and 3 ones. It is 13. Next 14. 1 4. 1 5. 15. 1 6. 16. Means 1 2 3 4 5 6 blocks are in the ones place. Now 17, 18, 19. So now 20. How to write the 20? Again the shift of these blocks will take place. We can't write 10 over here, isn't it? So what will happen? We have to move it. If we are moving here, the 2 tens, the shift of tens is taking place. It will be 2 tens. 2 tens means it is 20. means it is 2 tens and 0 ones. 0 ones means we are not having any unit blocks over here. See what comes after this 20. This is 2 tens and 1 ones. That is 2 1 21. 2 tens, 2 ones 22. Next is 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. It means 26 means it consists of 2 tens and 6 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next is 2 tens and 7 ones 27. 2 tens and 8 ones 28, and the next is 2 9 29. So what comes after this 9 means 10. That means after 29 it is 30. So we cannot accommodate the 10 over here. So how to represent the 30? Let's see. Now 3 tens means it is 30. 3 tens and 0 ones makes 30. See directly now we are taking 4 0 40. One rod is been increased over here, tens rod. Now 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now after 90 we'll see 91, 92 means 9 tens and 2 ones. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now after 99 it is 100. So how we have to write 100 means, see here. Here you can't write 110. But this is 10 tens. 10 tens. Complete this, all this, whatever the blocks we are having, unit blocks, it will move on to the tens place. So one rod has been increased. That means 10 tens. 10 tens is how much? It's 100. So we should not write it over here. Now it will shift from the 10 tens will make 100 now. So 100 means 100, 0 tens and 0 ones. That means 100 is 100. Now, observe what is this number. You can identify how many blocks are here. 100 blocks. 200s. Tens blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And how many unit blocks are there? 3 ones. And therefore the number is 263. It means 263 means it consists of 3 ones, 6 tens and 2 hundreds. So the place value of 2 is 200 and 6 is 6 tens which is 60 and 3 is 3 ones which is equals to 3. Now we'll consider one more example. Now how many hundreds here? 4 hundreds. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many ones are there? 5 ones. Therefore the number is 435. What does it mean? 435 consists of 5 ones, 3 tens and 4 hundreds. So the place value of 5 is 5 ones which is equals to 5 and 3 is 3 tens which is equals to 30 and place value of 4 is 4 hundreds means which is equals to 400, 400. Here we are having how many hundreds? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 9 ones. That means the number is 999. It consists of 9 ones, 9 tens and 9 hundreds. That means the place value of 9 hundreds means here 9 is 9 hundreds. And in the tens place its value is 9 tens which is equals to 90. And in the ones place it is 9 ones which is equals to ones. Whenever we are finding the place value, you have to write HTO, which can be read as ones, tens and hundreds. When we write this, we can identify and write the number very easily. Hope you all like the ratios trick. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much.